Hello YouTube, it is Christian Lopez here with another video. If you haven't been to my channel before, welcome, and if you have, welcome back. Now in today's video, I am doing an unboxing of the Lightmode Venom kit by Mr. Lightmode. And right here, this is going to be the standard box that it comes in. I've seen one of his videos before, and I just wanted to make my own video because when I've looked up the Lightmode kit on YouTube, pretty much the only videos I can find are his videos. So I wanted to release something else other than the owner of the company's videos, basically. Thank you for supporting. Lightmode is on the box right here. Also, if you have seen my videos before, you may notice there's a difference in the audio quality and maybe the visual quality. That is because I normally record with an iPhone 8. Now I have a GoPro Hero 8 Black. So that should increase the quality pretty well, and hopefully the audio is better too. So yeah, let's get right into this thing right here. I'm gonna switch over to my headband, which I have because I literally just got this GoPro kit. So let's go to the headband accessory. Cool, yeah, let's do that. I'm trying to keep my head from moving all over the place. Let's get this thing opened here. I'm gonna open it. I have to open it from the front. Okay, so let's go right across. Pop this thing open, just like so. All right. Right here, this says the TRON S Venom kit. This is the new kit that was just released, I believe, about a month ago. And yeah, let's take a look at this thing. So right up front, we have obviously TRON S electroluminescent helmet kit, the Venom, Lightmode. Designed and tested in Canada, manufactured in Taiwan. Color is blue. And on the back here, we obviously have Lightmode, a Canadian company. 4 Lightmode light strips, Lightmode controller, the curved mount, extension wires, USB charging cable, an online instruction video, 6 hours of built-in battery, USB rechargeable, water resistant. Yeah, let's get this thing opened here. So I could, oh, just slides out. There we go. Just like so, pop this thing up. And here we are, the main course. We have the Lightmode controller itself right here. I love this. I wonder if this GoPro can pick up this sound. Let's see. I think it did. That sounded great. Okay, let's put that to the side. There we go. That's gonna be the controller right there. All right. And then right here is gonna be the actual connector that you attach to your helmet. So you can clip in the controller and then clip it out, just like so. All right, cool. Storage. I think this is where gonna be all the lighting is. We have the Lightmode stickers right here, which I may throw on my helmet. Not too sure yet, but I probably will. We'll see. And then the instructional video, that's just the link to the instructional video, as well as right here, it's gonna be the instruction manual. It shows you how to use the Lightmode controller, the indicators, how to charge it, how to mount it. Talks about the strips themselves. They have 3M lining, comes with extra adhesive in case it's needed. Allow the light strips to flow straight, don't bend them around. But yeah, let's take a look at the actual kit itself. Just pop it up right here. And bam. All right, everything is out. That's empty, you can throw that to the side. And here we have the double-sided tape right there, as well as the extension wire, short and long, the charging cable, these are, I think, to throw into I think these get thrown into the controller. That way you keep water from coming in them if you just want it mounted to your helmet. And then we have the actual Venom kit right here, which I love this design. This is a super cool design. I like it. That's the thing. That's the color. Let's see. Let's actually plug this in. I want to see how it looks lit up. It's obviously the daytime right now. What I'll do is I'll actually go into my closet when it's dark, and I'll also plug these in and line them up and see how they look. Yeah, let's take a look at these things. I don't think they're gonna look too crazy in the light because I have my windows open and I have both of my kitchen lights on. Okay. Was flashing. Flashing quickly. Hope you guys can see that. Let's see right here. Flashing very quickly. Off. And then on. Now, I wonder if this is normal here. Can you guys hear that when it's running? Yeah, and every time it flashes. Beep, 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 beep. Interesting. I wonder if that's normal. I haven't watched too many of Lightmode's videos. I watched a few of them. I didn't hear any noises when it was running, but that could just be, that's how the controller sounds. But yeah. All right, so it's pretty bright outside. The only place I can get actual darkness was in my bathroom right now. That's why it might sound kind of echoey. But here is the Lightmode kit in the dark. I think it looks amazing. And once it's on a helmet positioned properly, I think it's going to look awesome. You're going to be noticed at nighttime. I mean, there's no way you're not going to be. And yeah, it flashes as it runs, but that's a super cool setup. I like that. All right, guys, so that was the unboxing of the Lightmode Venom kit. I know it wasn't a crazy long video. I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing of it. Wanted to show you guys how it looked at nighttime, well, in my bathroom. I mean, with the unboxing, the only thing that I would say was different, or that I didn't notice in the other videos by like Mr. Lightmode himself, was that it does make a high-pitched noise when the lights are running, as well as like when you turn it on flashing. It pretty much makes like a high-pitched audible like beep, 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 beep. Also, I think once you actually have the helmet on once you have the controller on the back of your helmet and you're riding, you're not even going to notice it. So I don't really think it's that big of a deal. It's the only thing that I noticed off the bat. They look great. I think they're going to make it very easy to see me when I am riding at nighttime. During the daytime, I don't think it's going to make much of a difference other than like a cool design on the actual helmet. Almost like just, you know, standard decals or stickers. But at nighttime, I think it's going to make it to where people can see me very well. And, you know, when it comes to riding motorcycles, being able to catch people's attention and catch their eyes, I think is a very important thing when riding. I've had people in my family pass away from riding. So yeah, I think this is an awesome concept. I think they look great. I can't wait to test them out once I can get them installed on my helmet. So yeah, I'll be making another video once I get my helmet in. That way I can install these, do a review on them. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, rate, comment, subscribe, and share the video if you can. If you have any questions about this kit, any questions about me, any questions about my channel, leave them down in the comment section below. And again, thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe out there and have a great day.